Here we have the variant name as a sticker, little by little. That's what. Okay. Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel, The Productive Girl. Today let's see the unboxing, flip through and review of 2023 Factor Notes Planner. The planner just got arrived and I'm literally so excited to unbox the planner. I got it from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box below. You can check it out. This is how the outer cover packaging looks like, a normal cover, and inside we have this box. It's full of these sticker sort of designs and in the middle it says Factor Notes. It's pretty empty in the back. So this is the variant I went with, little by little. If you guys watched my 2023 planner picks video, it's one of the planner that I selected to use in the year 2023. I will link that video also in the description box. You can check out to know what is the another planner that I'm going to use, because I'm going to be using 2 planners this year. Okay, let's open. I just went with the planner only. It's one of the most affordable planner, I would say, and also it contains almost everything. Here is the cover. Let's open it. First we have this sort of nice design going on and we have their branding, Factor Notes. In the next page we have this planner belongs to page wherein you can write your name here. And also this space is given where you can paste your photo, or you can even draw or doodle your face, or if you want to write some personal details, if you want, you can write it in this space as well. And in the next page is a goal setting page. Here it says ready, set, goals. Welcome to the world of awesome planning. So a little bit note about goal setting here. You can definitely read it out.
Drum rolls, let the planning begin.
And here we have my top 5 goals. So we have like a chat bubble sort of situation going on, wherein in the each chat bubble you can write one goal. Then here is something different, kind of a spread that I'm seeing.
It says a new year is a new hope and inspiration to live life in better ways. Every year, month and day is a new beginning. Here are a few ideas to start 2023 in a positive way.
This is like a friendly reminder and some ideas to start your 2023 in a positive way. So you can check it out. Next we have the vision board. Having vision board at the front of the planner is very important so that we can look at it even more. I totally like this vision board. It's just plain 2 sides in order to do your vision board. So I'm excited to do my vision board in this planner. Do subscribe and tap on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a vision board related video. I will do that. Next is the 2022 overview. So we have 2 sides for that. So first is lessons from 2022, gratitude for 2022, things I don't want to repeat. Most of my quality time was spent on. So it's like a very good year-end review of the year 2022. Reviewing year is very important in order to say goodbye to the year and just have a fresh new start into the new year. So we have 2 sides for that. Next is the best is yet to come, make it happen. So it's like expectations from 2023. So I feel like this is like sort of visions. So it's not like goals that you have to follow it, but some expectations that you have, like visions that you would like to have. I'm saying this on those lines. And here is the action plan for 2023. So you can write the action plans, like plans in order to achieve the expectations, or you can even write for your goals. In my goal setting video, I shared with you guys like how important having plans for your goals. So you can watch that video for a very effective functional goal setting process. Next we have my improvement plan, one of the spread that I really like in the Factor Notes planner. So we can plan and write our improvement plan for our body, mind, relationships and work. It's like the most important areas of our life. That's a pretty simple and priority based plans. Next we have my favorite quotes, which is something that they include each and every year. You can write some of your favorite quotes so that you can get a reminder, and whenever you flip the planner you can just have the immediate boost of motivation. Then we have days to remember, in which you can write the birthdays, anniversary of your loved ones, or any other milestone days or your favorite days. You can jot it everything here so that you don't forget. Next is the letter to my future self, which is one of my most favorite thing to do. So even if you don't have this planner, guys, do get a sheet of paper, write a letter to your future self and just keep it somewhere that you will be remember and get it and read it later at the end of the year, because this is such a fun, cool, feeling good, nice sort of activity. You should definitely do that. We have a 2 space for that, and here it says
Want to have a word with your future self? Write a dated letter to yourself. Talk about your dreams, ideas, plans, small and big. Sounds crazy? Bring it on.
So it's such a nice spread. Then we have things to overcome, things to embrace. So in the things to overcome, we have our biggest fear or insecurity, emotional baggage, weakness, and things to embrace include dreams to achieve, achievement, proud moments, etc. I like how they have a lot of self-journaling prompts and everything. Next we have another thing that I really like in the Factor Notes planner, which is I Know Me section. So here it has some journal prompts or questions questions that you can ask to yourself and can journal or write about it. For example, I'm best at, I'm so proud to be known as, etc. So you can even write these questions in your DIY planner or your bullet journal as well. Next we have bucket list and anti-bucket list. So bucket list are things you would like to do in this particular year, and anti-bucket list are the list of things that you don't want to do, that you don't like to do. Next is my ideal week in 2023. So here you can write the timestamp, and for each and every day you can sort of do like a rough routine. So it will be really helpful to create routines for yourself, because daily routine really helps you to focus on your habits, routines, goals, or any other things that you want to inculcate into your daily life. Next we have the 2023 yearly calendar overview of all the months. Next is a note section, like a 2 blank spaces that you can customize it any way you want. Next the monthly spread starts. First is a January. It says welcome January, a new mindset is a fresh start. Next we have this January 2023 monthly focus, like a monthly calendar. It starts from Monday till Sunday, and we also have this little bit note section. Next we have the budget plan, which is one of the most important spread that I need, and which is why I picked this planner. It says income source and amount, and the date, expenses and amount, and here in the grand total you can write saved as planned, overspent. Next is a meal plan. So it starts from Monday to Sunday, and we can plan our breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner. I really like the idea of including the snack section, because mostly it will be like breakfast, lunch and dinner, which is definitely not so good. Snacks is so important. Then we have shopping list, which is ideal to have next to the meal plan, so that we can write down some of the groceries and everything, and also a little bit note section, like all the planning and detailing. Next is a monthly planning page. So at the beginning we have the mood tracker, so wherein you can color this mood tracker. It's not a normal mood tracker, but you can color each and everything, and here they have labeled some mood like cheerful, peaceful, okay-ish, furious, confused, low. I don't know if I can track my mood, but I think it's a good space to have. I think I can try it out. Next we have affirmations for the month, goals for the month, things to focus on, distractions to avoid. I feel like it's just perfect. Then this is a weekly/daily layout looks like. So this is like a little activity that they will include in each and every month. So that's one unique thing about factor notes. For the January we have,
You're about to set out on a New Year's planning journey. Do delete, be creative.
since 1st January is on Sunday, they have just ended right there, and this is the weekly planning section. Here you can write any quote for the week and things to remember, and a weekly habit tracker. I really like tracking my habits on a weekly basis than on a monthly basis. Next is the top priorities. Sleep log, which is something so essentials that we all need. There are 2 blank spaces that you can customize into any trackers that you want. Then we have a note section. It's just perfect, I would say, to track all the wellness, important things for productivity and everything. So if you're someone who sit down on a Monday or a Sunday and do your weekly planning, this weekly planning section will really help you. So this is how it looks exactly for each and every week. So we have from Monday to Sunday, and Saturday, Sunday has little space when compared to the other days that you can keep in mind if you're not okay with that. I'm totally okay with that, because it's a reminder that we need to step back and take some rest in the weekends. Also for some people this space might be quite little, like the daily planning section. You can also keep that in mind. For me it's not a biggest issue, because I will not be writing my to-do list or daily planning in the spaces. Mostly I will be doing like a dear diary moment. So this is how it will be for each and every week. Just a little motivational speech going on. Then this is a monthly review. So after all the weeks is got over, we have the monthly reflections and review part. So we have my accomplishment, things I'm grateful for in this month, my learnings, what could I have done better, wellness tracker wherein you can track your happiness, physical health, mental health, productivity and me time. And also there is a note section going on wherein you can write any other thoughts, opinions or anything. So very good monthly reflections part. Next comes the February. It says where there is love, there is life. I really like this design. It looks so wholesome. All the monthly layouts will be similar for each and every month. So let's quickly look at all the monthly cover designs, which will be really pretty. So wow, I love March. Bask in the warmth of your own light. It's all about balance. Wow. April looks so fun to look at. Be you may. Rest should be a part of your journey. Some truth has been revealed here. Next, you have the power to make your wish come true. I really like the June print as well. Wow, look at this activity. You have made to the front page. Why might that be? write yourself a headline and the news. That's so unique and nice. It will be fun. Next is a July. Life is short. Do that thing you always wanted to do. Wow. Next is August. Float in the flow of the universe. Love the quote and the design going on, guys. September. Find joy wherever you are. Exactly. October. You shine like a lunar rainbow in the night sky. One of my favorite cover page. Be curious, explore and stay inspired. Another favorite. So good. What else? Pure what inspirations are made of. So motivating. Okay, let's look at what is after the December weekly monthly reflections. So this is a December monthly reflections page, after which we have my reading list, my learning list, wherein you can write your reading and learning list. I will be writing all these in my planner setup video. Do stay tuned for that. Also do subscribe if you want to watch that video, and tap on the bell icon to watch it the moment I upload that. Next is my movie watch list, my series watch list, travel list, my restaurant/food list. Then it's a possession map. What are the things that you own, things that you lent, things you borrowed, and there is an identity card and health index as well. Next is the two sides of my wish list for 2023. Here it says what, when and budget. So you can write what is the thing that you are wishing for, when you want to get it, and the budget for it, so that you can plan your budget well in advance in order to make that wish come true, rather than being spontaneous and buying your wish list impulsively and hurting your budget. So I feel like wish list is a must. Next is the annual vacation plan and the spread related to that, like what are the expenditure and what, when, budget to do before you leave. So we have two vacation sheets. Then we have my vacation packing list, 2 sides for that. Then some blank pages which you can customize and write whatever you want it to be. Next, here is a back pocket.
Okay, I can see the stickers.
Okay, we have some stickers. Let's have a quick overview of the stickers. Considering the price, all these stickers, I feel like this planner is just worth your money. And here we have a little guide to use the planner. The ultimate guide is here to the rescue. So how you can use the each and every spread that is inside this planner. So it is again such a thoughtful and informative thing to include. I think they have included this first in this year only. With that, the planner came to an end. What do you guys think about this planner? Let me know in the comment section below. I totally like this planner. Again, I will leave the Amazon link in the description box below. You can get it because I don't know about their website, but if you order it from Amazon, you're receiving it in within 2 to 3 days. So that's quite fast. If you're in a hurry to get your 2023 planner, you can order from Amazon. So if you're looking for a 2023 planner, you can check out this planner which is on the screen right now, which is another amazing planner by the brand The Positive Store. See the flip through, see if you like it or not, and then you can go ahead with it. So that's it for today's video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.